These are the Tripped National Park packing cubes. Thank you to Tripped for sending me these to try out and share with you. Each of these packing cubes comes with its own design and its own national park. So this one is the largest one and it's the Tetons. There's my personal favorite national park, Yellowstone. There's Sequoia, the Grand Canyon, Arches, and Yosemite. What I really like about these packing cubes is you have your handle here and the zipper that goes all the way around, so you can open the bag this way to expand and give yourself space, and then on this side you're opening it to put your items. So we'll put some leggings in here so I can show you how many pairs of leggings fit in one of these bags. We're up to 4 pairs now. We've got 5 pairs and they all fit pretty comfortably in here. I honestly could probably put 2 more pairs of leggings in here if I adjusted everything around. So I really like this set because not only are these packing cubes very beautiful and true to the national parks that they're designed to represent, they are also incredibly spacious, come in beautiful, bright, fun colors, and offer a variety of sizes to make sure that you're able to pack whatever you need.